Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our '06 Honda Element we have in the shop, I'm going to teach you how to remove the marker bulb and replace the bulb. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to use a body tool, and there's an ear here and an ear right in this area. Down here is a plastic hook. So I think I'm going to try to get this one first. You definitely need a plastic tool, because it's not forgiving, and that's how it pops out. You're going to remove that socket. Good catch. Pull out the bulb. That is a 194 bulb. If you need a bulb, you're going to grab a bulb, 194, line up the metal tabs, snap it down in, line up the 4 keyways there, turn it clockwise. Now to install, I'm going to load this ear tab right down there on that plastic. Push it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.